Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, hi, my name is Vinisha. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it's free and you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So today's video is about essential things that is very much necessary for every girl, and this includes only products which are not under the cosmetic category. I hope this is going to be interesting and useful to many of you, so please don't forget to watch the video till the end. And without any further delay, let's get started. Now the first very important product that I want to share with you guys today is called fashion tape. I know a lot of you guys would have heard about this, and I recently started using this honestly, and I'm so in love with this. Like, it's making my life so much easier. So fashion tape is like a double-sided tape which you normally find, and what is special about this is that it sticks to your skin as well as your clothes, and that way it helps your clothes stay in place all day long. So if you want to put your clothes like this in a certain way, and if you want to stay in a certain way, the fabric tape helps you so much to do that. That is why I really feel everyone should have it. So fashion tape can be used in a various other ways. So example, I can put a fashion tape here and stick it on this if I don't want my neckline to fall deep, and if my tops is loose, the neckline tends to fall in the front, right? So if you want to keep that in place, just put a tape here and just stick it on your body, and it will stay for very long time without any problem. The only thing what you should be really careful is that if you have lotions or cream on your body, the tape doesn't stick very well. So make sure that you're not having any lotion or anything on your body, and that way the fashion tape works really well. So you can use it for hemlines like this, and if you want to keep your off-shoulder tops in place over the sleeve, you can put it over there. So usually for saris, not to hold it here, we keep a pin here to hold it on place, right? So instead of that, you can just put a tape and then stick it all over, and that is just gonna stay all day without moving. So another important thing with the fashion tape is when you're wearing a shirt, normally if the shirt is a bit tight, you get to see the holes between the two buttons kind of stretch up, right? So you can use a fabric tape in the center to seal it in place and avoid a wardrobe malfunction. So yes, those are like the amazing things what a fabric tape can do. So I have two with me right now. So if you're in Australia, you can find this one in Priceline pharmacies. So this is called the Hollywood fashion tape, and this is something which I got in India, and it is also called the fashion dressing tapes. I will leave a link of this below in the description in case if you want to check it out. So the next thing that I want to show you guys is sweat pads. So I don't know how many of you guys are aware of sweat pads. So sweat pads are very essential, and I'm kind of familiar to this for like 5 or 6 years, because ever since I started to learn more about bridal makeup and stuff, like most of all the teachers who have taught me, they have taught me about sweat pads and how important it is, especially for a bride. So this way you don't have to spoil your sari blouse, and also you will not have a sweat puddle here. So not that it is wrong, it's completely normal. We are all humans, and sweating is very normal. You don't have to feel bad about it. But yes, if you are in a special occasion and you don't want your clothes to be ruined or something like that, then please go ahead and use a sweat pad. So this is very similar to a panty liner. It's very thin, and you place exactly on the body and the sleeve of the portion, and then you stick onto the fabric, and then you wear it just like how you normally wear it, and that pad actually collects all the sweat from your body and does not transfer to the fabric. So that is how a sweat pad works. So you're supposed to stick it to the inner part of the blouse or the t-shirt or tops that you're going to be wearing. So this one is from Sirona, and it's called the underarm sweat pads, which is anti-stain. So it comes in a small pack like this, and it has 2 sweat pads which you can use for one time. This is disposable, so yes, you will have to take a new one every time you use it. Now the next thing that I have today is called a lash separator. So this one is mainly useful for someone who's more into using mascaras every day. So a lot of us used to have the problem with clumpy lashes, right? Some mascaras make our lashes really clumpy, and there are so much of product deposited on our lashes, and that way it doesn't look nice for most of us. I used to hate spiky lashes. Like, I would like my lashes to be very natural, and this has been helping me so well. So after you apply your mascara, before it dries, I just take this and comb it through my lashes to remove all the excess product, and whatever is remaining will just dry out and my mascara stays in beautifully. So this is something very important, I feel, especially if you want dramatic nice lashes. Now the fourth product that I have today is from Miniso, and this is the eyebrow razor. So it is a small razor which you can actually use to trim or shave all the excess hair around your eyebrows. So it's not necessary that you have to use a razor to shape your eyebrows, but having something like this for an emergency is very important, so that you can just do it on the go, because it's not practically always possible for us to go to a parlor and get it threaded, right? So having something like this in your home is very important, so that you can just take it and do it on the go and you will be ready. Now the fifth product that I have today is a shampoo brush. Now once upon a time I used to really love it, and later in a point I really hated this, but now I exactly understood how to use this and how to prevent damages in my hair and still get the best out of it. So the shampoo brush is actually made of silicone, and I got it from Amazon. So this is helpful in removing all the dead skin and flakes on your scalp, especially if you have dandruff. This is really helpful. This deflakes all the dry and dead skin cells on your scalp. So you have to be very careful. In case if you have very thin hair, then I would say you to avoid this one, and if you're someone who has really bad hair breakage and stuff, then please do avoid. But if you have problem with a lot of dandruff and stuff, then this works really beautiful. The only thing you have to be really careful before using this is that you have to have your hair tangle free, and then you just have to comb your hair just in the direction of how it has grown, so that way you don't damage your scalp and the hair roots as well. So just go in a single motion, do not go to and fro, just go in one single direction, and that way it helps to remove the flakes and also not damage your hair. Now the next most important thing I would like to share with you guys is having this blending makeup sponges. Like, a pack of this will come a long time. So if you see these kind of triangle shaped makeup sponges, this is so useful, especially to have it in your handbag. You can apply sunscreen with this, like reapplying sunscreen on top of makeup. This is super handy and super helpful. You just have to put some sunscreen on the back of your palms, dab it with the sponge, and then lightly pat it on your skin, and your sunscreen will blend beautifully. Same thing with foundations as well. This can also be used to blend in your foundations, but I would really love using this, especially when I'm outdoors and I have to retouch my sunscreen. So yes, highly recommend it, and please do have one or two in your handbags with your sunscreen. So this product you can actually find in Miniso, and I will see if I could find the links and I will leave it in the description box below. Please do check it out. Now the next product that I have is something that I've saved for the last, and this is something which you have to have in your handbag. So this is the Revlon Volcanic Stone Facial Roller. So what this does is it removes all the oil and sweat from your face, especially after a long day. You can just take this and roll it on top of your makeup, and it will absolutely mattify your skin and instantly give you results. So you should actually remove the stone and then wash it, just put it back, and you're all ready to use it again. It is very important, especially for someone who's going to be outdoors for a very long time. Like, your makeup will stay really fresh and beautiful all day long if you're ready to touch up your makeup once in every 5 to 6 hours with this roller. Like, it works beautifully. I'm not very sure that if this one is found in India, but a very similar dupe is available in Amazon, and I will link it in the description box below. You have to go check it out. The similar concept of a blotting paper, but it is reusable and also safe for the environment, so definitely go try. Now we have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please do let me know your thoughts on how you like this video, and if you would like to see more of such content, and I'll definitely try to create for you guys. So that's it. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you guys very soon in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.